welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm excited to talk to you about this little gadget from Mosenvka. And you know, I just love small, simple gadgets that have tons of functionality built into them, and that's exactly what this is. If you just look at it, you may think, okay, what is that? It's just a mount. That's not a big deal. But oh my goodness, this thing has so many features and so much just customization built into it that it can do a million different things. It can serve a million different purposes. So let's talk about it. What is it? Well, it is a MagSafe compatible phone mount. So here you've got your magnets, your MagSafe compatible magnets. So great for use with an iPhone that supports MagSafe. They do include a metal ring in the box that you can attach to a non-MagSafe phone to use it with that as well. But this isn't just any mount. Now, first you could use this as a stand. You can just set this on a desk or something and it will fully stand and set and support. And it's got hinges, so it's very foldable to get it to the way you want it. There's so many different ways because of the hinges, and it also swivels on the base, so you can turn it the way you want it. Now, if that's all it did, that'd be great, but that's not all it does, because the base also has magnets built into it. So that means you can attach this to a lot of different things. You can attach it to obviously anything that is metal or magnetic. So if you're in the kitchen, you're doing a recipe on your phone, you could throw this onto your microwave or your refrigerator for easily be able to see the recipe while you're cooking. Or like my car has a little magnetic board that's part of the dash. And so this works perfect to put on there to use this in my car as my phone mount inside my car because of the magnets in the base. Basically, you can take it to the gym and use it at the gym, stick it on any of the equipment at the gym. Anything that's metal, you've got the magnets on the base, strong magnets, so they will hold. And again, wherever you're attaching it to, then you can bend this in a million different ways, so you can have it flat magnetically against something and just have it flat, or you can have it out, you can pivot it. There's so many different things you can do. Now, besides that, the base also has a 1/4 inch thread on the bottom so that you can attach it to a tripod. So standard tripod 1/4 inch mount, you can attach it to that with the base in order to use if you want to use this like filming with your iPhone or something like that. And the base itself is Arca-Swiss compliant. So if you have a mount that uses the Arca-Swiss, then this will slide right in and lock right into that because it's built to be compatible with that. So, like I said, so many different applications, so many different ways to use this because of the fact that it can just sit on a desk and stand on its own. But also you've got the magnets in the base, also you've got the Arca-Swiss mount and the 1/4 inch mount, then the fact that this can swivel in any different direction, and then you've got several hinges on here to get it into the configuration that works for whatever purpose you're using it for. So this is a really, really awesome product. Like I said, small, simple gadgets that do a lot of different things and serve a lot of functions. I love having those kinds of things around because it's the kind of thing where you're in a situation, you're like, I need to mount my phone, but how am I going to do that? This is the kind of thing that you'll be like, oh, that's right. I've got that Mosenvka magnetic mount, and I can use that to attach it to just about anything, put it anywhere, use it almost anywhere. Excellent product. If you have a MagSafe compatible phone, this is a no-brainer. You got to get this. You want to have this on hand just for those times when it's going to come in really handy. Even if you don't have a MagSafe phone, they do, like I said, have the ring in the box that you can use to use it with that as well. But really excellent product by Mosenvka. Definitely a product that I would recommend. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. And if you have any questions, just post them down below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.